Welcome. I'm hosting an emergency meeting online and I'm inviting you to attend. I don't have specific dates yet, but before you decide if you really want to go to this meeting, you're going to want to know that this is all about the invisible shop crisis that I keep hearing about. Auto repair shop owners are telling me they can't find their own business online, so how are customers ever going to find their shop? We're also going to address the trust recession that we're in, because let's face it, more and more people are finding it harder and harder to trust you, and I'm going to show you simple strategies that you can use immediately to start fixing that. And number 3, we're going to deal with the value over price issues, because let's face it, we're in a difficult economy. People are not really excited. I don't think I have to tell you where the price of gas has gone, and obviously they're looking for better value when it comes time to actually get their vehicle serviced. So just to give you an overall outline of this, it's probably going to be about a half hour to an hour in total. It will be live. I have not yet announced a date, but it will be live. There will not be a replay of it. And I'm telling you, there is nothing being sold on this. So if you do want to jump on this meeting, I'm going to suggest you head over to thecarcountfixer.com/meeting, or I'll throw up a QR code here and there'll be links below this video, and go ahead and get in on the wait list, because this will happen. First of all, I'm suffering a little bit of a cold and sore throat, so I don't normally sound like this, but I want to help shop owners the best I can fix these 3 big issues: the invisibility shop issue, the trust recession, and dealing with value over price. Because let's face it, everyone can start cutting prices, but that's not going to make you any money. So go ahead and do that now, and I'll catch you on that live call. Again, there will not be a replay of this. There is nothing being sold, and I will take questions specific to your repair shop, and I will do it live online. So go ahead and get started. The links will be below this video or the QR code. Can't wait to meet you on the meeting. Talk soon.